The ultimate trekking checklist. Going on a trekking adventure? Check out your ultimate trekking checklist. Number 1. Sturdy hiking boots. Protects your feet and conquer any trail. Number 2. Backpack with essentials. Stay fueled, hydrated, and prepared. Number 3. Weather-appropriate clothing. Dress like a trekking pro. Number 4. Navigation tools. Find your way with confidence. Number 5. Safety gear. Be ready for any situation. Remember, preparation is key for a successful trekking adventure. Now, grab your gear, hit the trails, and make unforgettable memories.